Hai, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ISMANAJMI ROZI. Nometri B091810258. So today I want to answering the question about the lab test. Before I answering the question of lab test, I want to show the 4 basic component in refrigeration for car. Firstly is compressor right there, and next condenser in front in radiator. This condenser, and this radiator, and next at this TSV or material device, and lastly evaporator in cabin car. So the first question is how to identify high side and low side. For the right side is low side, and right side is high side. We know the low side is before entering the compressor, and high side next to the condenser before into the TSV. And second question is how to check the leaking refrigerant in system air conditioning. So normally we use the butter soap to check the bubble for check the leak. So the tutorial is like this. So we put there and wait to 5 minutes, run engine and wait for 5 minutes, and then when the bubble and out to bubbles, we know the leaking at the joint. And next the flexible hose. Normally flexible hose actually possible to leaking because the flexible made from rubber. And that's all. Thank you.